No, I didn't do anything wrong.
Nobody said you did.
I
It's over
didn't
here.
do anything. Leave me alone. You hit me. Help me! Help me!
Put your hand behind your back now! Your back now!
A routine welfare check at a major U.S. airport ends in a felony arrest. Was the force lawful? Or was the arrest inevitable? 6 minutes of patience. One violent outburst. A legal chain reaction that began the moment officers made first contact.
Let me get going on this shit and, I don't know what else to say.
Well, let's see what happens when she gets back. Hopefully she's got your bag. And then you hop on your Uber and get to go wherever you're going.
Is this the bitch that's gonna... Because you know I didn't have shit in my bag, right? Besides,
no, we just want you to get
besides my shooters.
Yeah.
You already saw that on the cam.
No. You can't. That was at the other airport.
Wait, were y'all stinging me?
What are you talking about?
We are here because you keep...
Wait a minute, for what? Why did y'all... You couldn't even let me have a cigarette?
Like I'm gonna leave.
Fucking cigarette? That's all I wanted. I would have shut the f***
You're gonna get ahead and get a cigarette. Just calm down.
Give me out of here.
As soon as we get your bag. Right? Because then if you don't have your bag,
can
then...
I have my 2 other shooters?
My God,
Because I still have leftovers.
I don't know where they're at.
I do have leftover shooters.
Okay. Well,
And
let's get
can
back.
you go ahead and take them so I can go to the gas station?
Okay. Well, let's wait on her.
So you
to
can
get
clear
back.
me.
Okay.
Because my dad is going to ask you.
All right. I'm not gonna say a word.
Clear me.
All right. I'll tell Dad you are good to go. Is Dad coming to get you, or I thought you said Uber's coming to get you
Where are we?
in Tampa, Florida?
Dad is not coming.
Uber's coming.
Can I have those shots?
I'm not gonna take them from you.
No, I'm saying, can you tell Dad? I didn't know you knew my dad.
I don't know your dad.
What is your name?
We're all good. I'm Mike. Mike.
Mike?
Yep.
What's your last name?
Ruiz.
Are you taking over? Well, I don't like
We're waiting. She's checking because I think he left something on the airplane.
He what?
He left something on the airplane.
Oh, okay.
So that's what we're waiting on. But he's
Whoever,
very intoxicated and he forgets lots of stuff.
Whoever
He keeps
the
saying
people
same thing
like,
over and
we
over
don't
again.
like our current sheriff.
Okay.
So it is kind of like
We don't work
that.
for the sheriff, so we don't always
I'm
like
sure
our.
you've seen-
We don't like our current sheriff all the time.
I'm sure
either.
you've seen Dutton. And I'm not threatening you of any of that. I just love Kevin Costner's new show. It's pretty bad. But that's it. So that's all I have to say.
He kept trying. No, he's here from Missouri. He kept trying to go the wrong way at TSA, and that's what caught my eye. And then the TSA guy walked him down here because he said he forgot the something on the plane. So the lady's actually down there looking on the plane right now.
What's your name again?
Mike. Okay. This is Gary.
Gary?
What's up, brother? How you doing?
It's very nice to meet you.
All right. Just give us
And
a
I'm
second.
sure
We're gonna
we'll
get your
be
stuff.
Yep.
Don't you want your backpack? She wants to go look.
Yeah.
I'm right there with you.
There you go.
Are you there?
You got somebody
Yeah, I'm
coming to pick him up?
An Uber.
So I just want to make sure we're going to talk.
You here to visit somebody in Tampa? Yeah.
Yeah, just my brother. I've
Oh,
never
cool.
been down here before. That's what I'm
Well,
saying.
good, man. Good. I hope you enjoy it.
That's why I was asking, is there anything we need to do while I'm down here?
Busch Gardens, pretty cool.
Now, is that,
There's some
like
things
the flowers
downtown.
and stuff?
No. It's got roller coasters and stuff. It's pretty
Because I'm
good
cool
stuff.
with that, because
Yeah, it's
I
good
live
stuff.
in Missouri. So.
Okay. Yeah, it's good stuff. Did you have a suitcase?
Yeah, I have a carry-on suitcase. It's like it starts with this. See?
We can bring it up here due to security issues, so it will be in the baggage claim. It's at
Okay.
baggage claim.
All right, we'll take him. Okay. All right, we'll take you to where it's at. It's where all the bags are.
Yeah.
Clayton, come on. Clayton, come on.
Let's go, man.
Yeah, but just out of curiosity, I don't want them touched on.
Clayton, we're just taking you there. We're not touching it.
They're not
I just
touching
wanna-
it. It'll be on the carousel.
Wait,
and
Just
you
so
can
you
pick it up
hear,
yourself.
I just want to see the cigarette. So can I put you first and grab the cigarette out?
It's already gone.
When you go downstairs.
It's already gone. They already put it on the container. But you heard what I said, though. Come on.
Actually, shoot, what happened to all my baggage and stuff?
It'll be here. It's going to be over here.
That's where we're going.
You really think they're not going to scramble through within 2 hours because I didn't do anything wrong?
No.
Clayton, come on.
Nope.
We're gonna miss the train.
Nope.
Clayton, this is gonna go south really fast. Get your ass on that train right now.
You saw
Gary.
me. I'm refusing. I'm refusing.
Okay.
Hey, man. We're trying to get you to your stuff.
Your stuff's gonna disappear. Your cigarettes are gonna disappear.
I don't care.
It's all over here.
No, I didn't do anything wrong.
Nobody said you did.
I
It's over
didn't do
here.
anything. Leave me alone. Let me go on my flight. Leave me alone.
You already went on your flight.
Call my brother.
No, call him. We're trying to help you. You understand that?
Oh, now all of a sudden you're being nice.
I wasn't mean to you. Who's been mean to you?
I didn't see you.
Oh yeah.
No, we're trying to help you, man. All your stuff, your luggage and everything is over here. That's where we're trying to get you over there to get your stuff so you can have your cigarette.
I'm staying down.
You hit me! You! Ah! Help me! Help me!
That's all right. We got it. Relax, slide over a little bit.
Clayton!
Sorry, Gary. Tell me what
Clayton! Clayton! You know I'm not a violent person! Clayton! These people are dirty officers! And they're gonna kill me! Please, God, help me! Please, God!
Just hold on to it for a minute.
Please, God, they're hurting me! Ah! I thought they were lying, but they're...
We're trying to help you this whole time. And you're acting crazy. Slide over.
Put your hand behind your back now! Now! Put it behind your back now! Enough! All of this for nothing. You know, all of this, you were here to help you, and you turned this into a nightmare. You know that?
The doors are closing. Please wait for the next train. Caution, do not enter. The doors are closing. Please wait.
Yeah, okay, you guys, when you don't have to hurt
Come here.
You don't have to hurt me anymore.
Nobody's hurting you. Nobody's hurting you.
You drug me up after a bullshit
Flat.
thing.
When I flip you, you lay flat. You
How
understand?
about I just get off?
Flat. There you
You
go.
already beat me to death.
Just lay flat.
You already hurt me.
Lay flat. Relax.
You man.
Relax.
You already hurt me.
Relax.
You man.
Relax.
You already hurt me.
Relax.
I didn't even do
Relax.
anything. You're not getting away
Relax.
with this. You man.
Relax.
Relax. Yo, if you help me get away, don't help me get away with this.
Get up.
Are we, Gary, I'm on his legs.
Get up. You can let off. You can get off.
You sure?
Yeah.
I'm so dizzy.
That's my
You're
blood.
making me dizzy. Get up.
I lost. This is why I had to call
Get up. Stand
on the
up.
phone.
Stand up.
I don't know where the battery went. Oh, it's still on my belt. That's what happened. It came apart.
Whose phone?
His.
We got face a couple times. No, he got punched.
Oh, okay. Do you want to take him down the escalator or the elevator to get him in a car?
Yeah, let's go.
26 control. Can park me us in the front corner officer?
Arthur, you copy? Meet them in the front court. Echo, it's going to be reversed.
Don't put nothing on me. Walk. Put your down! Walk! Walk! Walk!
Gary, I got this one.
Walk! 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 You need to walk! Walk!
This way, Gary.
Get up! I'm not
Gary.
gonna bring it. Get up!
Gary, I'll hold him
You
up.
understand me?
Gary,
Get up!
Gary, I'll hold him up.
Walk! Walk!
Sergeant, if you grab his shoes, I got this side of him. No more games, buddy.
The same thing more.
We're coming down the elevator now. We're gonna need a car.
See, I even asked, I didn't even want to fly issue that. Rob it before I even knew. Which would have kind of screwed you guys over, though,
Get
too.
him
But
right in the car.
I didn't know that.
What do you think? Yeah, you want me to?
No, I don't.
Because you're heading that way.
Hey, with your mom.
You're heading that way. You're heading that way.
There's another one.
You're heading that way. You're not.
I got him.
Punch my
Gary, I got him.
dick.
Take his stuff. Stuff.
We punch one.
Respect the goddamn code!
You punch one.
Yeah, I might punch one, but I respect the f***ing code!
Yeah, that's all right. Yeah, Mike, why don't you back up?
I got him. I got him.
Go ahead. But I would never turn on a cop.
Don't kick me again.
I don't know a
Yeah, don't kick me again.
I don't need to.
Understand? Don't kick me again.
I don't ever want to
Kick me again.
Yes.
Do you understand me?
Yes.
Yeah. I got it right.
Is yours or these his?
Put it on mine. That went south quick, Sarge. We were good, and it was like signal 20 just turned on.
Initial Contact Authority, Terry v. Ohio, 1,968. Officers may briefly detain an individual upon reasonable articulable suspicion of a safety concern or criminal activity. Disorderly intoxication threshold, Florida statute section 856.11 requires 2 elements: visible intoxication and endangerment or active public disturbance. Confusion alone is not enough. Welfare check versus detention before arrest authority exists. Officers cannot lawfully compel a civilian to move or comply. This contact is a welfare check, not a detention. Battery on law enforcement officer, Florida statute section 784. 7 elevates battery to a 3rd-degree felony when the victim is a law enforcement officer engaged in lawful duties. Maximum 5 years. Use of force standard Graham v. Not Connor. 490 U.S. 386. A knife 1,989. 3 factors at the moment of decision: severity of offense, immediate threat posed, and whether the subject is actively resisting. Applying the Graham test, felony battery committed. Active threat present. An ongoing resistance confirmed. All 3 Graham factors support the use of physical restraint in this encounter. Warrantless arrest authority, Florida statute section 901.15. A warrant unless arrest is authorized when a felony is committed in the officer's presence. The in-presence battery activated this immediately. Post-arrest statements and Miranda, Rhode Island v. Innis 1,980. Miranda warnings apply to custodial interrogation, not spontaneous, unprompted declarations. Involuntary statements post-arrest are generally admissible. Mental health dimension, Florida statute section 394.463. The Baker Act authorizes involuntary psychiatric examination when a person appears mentally ill and poses a risk to themselves or others. Lesson 1, de-escalation has limits. Partial de-escalation extends the window for a peaceful resolution, but does not eliminate the risk of sudden behavioral change. Tactical positioning must be maintained throughout. Lesson 2, intoxication is not a defense. Voluntary intoxication does not negate criminal liability for intentional acts under Florida law. Impaired judgment explains behavior, does not excuse it. Lesson 3. Every force application leaves a record verbal accounts on bodycam, including officer statements about punches, become part of the official use of force evidentiary record and are subject to review. And the charges are filed. The footage is clear, but charges are not convictions. And footage does not always tell the full story. Was this a criminal act, a mental health crisis, or both? Does Florida law treat these 2 scenarios differently at sentencing? Did the officers follow every step required by their own department's use of force policy? Was the Baker Act option ever considered before the situation escalated. The legal framework is in place. The outcome is not yet fully known. These are the questions the court will answer. Stay with us.